Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make logo and business card design. I'm using the width of card is 3.5 inches and height is 2 inches and I'm using 2 artboards. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. Make M shape with pen tool. Convert into stroke and increase stroke size. Copy the file, and delete both sides, and adjust it. Now logo design is done. Make background shape with rectangle tool, and lock it. Now put logo in it. Put text in it. I'm using a grotesque bold font and source sans variable font. Link in description. Here you go and download it. Now make business card design shapes with rectangle tool. Now make a back shape of card. Put logo in it and make it big. Now make a lower design. Now make a new background for presentation. Put card design in it, and drop shadows. Now design is done. So friends, if you like a tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.